Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Nick here, back with a new video again on XRP. I know that you guys just experienced a video from me on XRP, but hey, it's the time of the year to really talk about, these assets, because now we are on the cusp of financial freedom, for the most part. I mean, hey, it all depends on how much you put in, but for the most part, guys, you know, if you could pay off some bills, if you can get, debt free for a little bit, that's incredible. It doesn't really matter about if you could buy the Lambo, if you could buy the yacht or anything like that, but hey, if you could pay off some debt, or if you could just, live a little bit comfortable, hey, that's awesome. That's incredible. Any sort of profit is profit. $1,000, $100, it does not matter. As long as you are making money, that's the key here. So, with that being said, let's talk about some relistings. Yep, that's right. Ripple has gotten relisted on Phemex, which is great. I think this is just the start. It's not one of those major exchanges that a lot of people know about to the average crypto investor, but it is a relisting. It's a win. Like they say here, Ripple counts another big win. It is. I think that we're getting very close to seeing relistings happening very soon. I think that we're really on the edge of our seats, just waiting for this case to get either thrown out, settled, or anything really in that sort of aspect. Because if you are holding XRP, if you're new to XRP and you're holding it now, congratulations. That's incredible. I'm not even joking either. But if you're a holder that was holding from 3 years ago, or 4 years ago, or 5 years ago, whatever the case may be, I seriously congratulate you. Now, I'm not saying that, hey, you should be holding it for that long. I'm just saying, that's some really, really good examples of diamond hands in this game. Like I said, there's a comment in my Discord saying, where do you see this coin going in a week from now? I think that's the biggest issue with a lot of people in crypto, is they want fast gains. You don't get rich overnight. That's just not the game plan here. The game plan here is to be patient, because with patience comes money. It comes success. Like I said, I said, hey, here's a guy who's investing in this coin. He's holding it for 5 years, and he makes $1 million. Here's a guy that buys into the same coin, and he makes a little bit of profit in a week and sells. It's a patience game. Crypto is a patience game. Nonetheless, I really just want to talk to you guys about what could be happening here with XRP. So, with that being said, let's read more about this. So, Ripple and the XRP community can celebrate a win today after Phemex's decision to relist XRP, a move that follows a vigorous relist XRP campaign. If you guys are in the XRP community, you already know relist XRP has been going off. Everybody has been tweeting about it, especially, since Easter, when we got that, crazy move up. This relisting could be the first one of many as institutions gain confidence that Ripple might win the case brought against it by the SEC. I've been following this case for a very long time. Honestly, the SEC's case, their defense is so bad in terms of why they're even suing Ripple. When John Deaton, he came out with the class action lawsuit basically against the SEC. Their defense was saying that, XRP is pretty much a currency that, we can't sue them. So they're basically taking back their word on it being a security, which is terrible. It's basically just to save themselves. And it's just one of those things where you're like, Are you kidding me? Like, you literally wanted to sue them for a reason being a security, and then all of a sudden you take your word back on it and say, hey, it's a currency and you can't sue us. I think that's just a cowardly move, especially from a government agency where their whole motto is protecting investors. I think that this could have been done years ago. I mean, it's been trading for so long, so to really bring this case to life now is just absolutely a slap in the face to any, investor, whether it be $100 or $1,000 or $10,000 being invested into XRP. This case really hit hard for a lot of people. a lot of people were buying in at 50, 40, 60 cents, 70 cents. And, once they got rug pulled essentially by the SEC, a lot of people sold at a loss. And that's terrible. And I feel for a lot of those investors that lost out on getting into XRP, especially the New York residents that were not able to utilize, uphold to really get into XRP. That's just, I feel so bad for them because, they're still not able to buy. And I just, we got the clarifying news that, exchanges could have been selling XRP this entire time. It's just so many people missed out on actually life-changing gains because, putting $10,000 in at 17 cents, you would basically get close to 60,000, and at $1, it's over $58,000 off of a $10,000 investment. That's for the most part, that's a lot of people's salary in a year, and it's only been about 4 months since the SEC's case really came to life. So a lot of people really missed out on life-changing gains, and it's just sad to see because a lot of people were hurt by this. And, I will not stand by, letting people get hurt like that. And I think that's the same reason why John Deaton really came out with that case. So, nonetheless, Phemex, one of the number of exchanges that delisted XRP after the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple, has announced it is relisting XRP, afraid of the repercussions that would result from a U.S. court ruling XRP is a security rather than a token. A majority of the U.S.-based exchanges and a few abroad delisted XRP. The move led to an XRP price plunge at the time, but prices have since recovered. The exchange, founded by former Wall Street traders and investors, made the announcement in a blog post in which they further introduced 8 other spot trading coins. These are BAT, CHZ, Mana, ENJ, Sushi, SNX, Graph, and then Maker as well. So why relist XRP now? When it was delisted, XRP Phemex stated that the action was motivated by the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs Inc. and the resulting actions by a number of other exchanges. In its relisting, the exchange has said that there has been high demand. Just a couple of weeks ago, the XRP community began a vigorous campaign on social media urging all crypto exchanges to relist XRP. With a huge following, the campaign gained great traction. Is the social media campaign getting to exchanges? It might very well be. I really don't think that's the case. I just think that a lot of these exchanges are seeing that they're missing out on a ton of fee revenue. I wouldn't be surprised if Uphold has hit record high fee revenue just from XRP alone. But anyways, additionally, with prices in recent weeks performing exceptionally and volume growing 5-fold in the first 2 weeks of April, exchanges are missing out on huge profits. There you go. It was actually just like right in front of my face. Unfortunately, for XRP enthusiasts, no major US-based exchange has shown any intention to relist the digital asset. There are, however, recent court proceedings that have renewed confidence among XRP holders that Ripple can win the lawsuit. Ripple is still attracting new partners. Beyond delistings, the lawsuit was also a major controversial issue with Ripple's partners, and in the weeks that followed, it lost a few. The biggest one of them was MoneyGram. Yeah, actually, MoneyGram, you guys probably already know this, especially if you're, really in, crypto and watching Ripple videos. MoneyGram basically signed back on. It's really cool. It's awesome. But anyways, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has recently stated that since the lawsuit, the company has gained over 20 new partners as well. In the latest partnership, Ripple has onboarded 3 new universities to its University Blockchain Research Initiative, UBRI. This is a blockchain accelerator program by the company from back in 2018. Of the 3 is the first university partner in Africa, the University of Cape Town. The other 2 are, I honestly cannot say that name, but Reykjavik, I hope I said that right, University, and New York University, Abu Dhabi, and then I don't know, that's Dubai, that's Dhabi. Yeah, Abu Dhabi. Wow, I'm terrible. Since topping mid-month, both price and daily trading volume have sunk. At the time of press, XRP is exchanging for $1.38 from earlier highs of $1.95. The volume, on the other hand, has dropped to the $10 billion levels after earlier peaking at $35 billion in a move that could boost XRP adoption. Ripple CTO David Schwartz has confirmed on Twitter that he is now advocating for lowering of XRP ledger reserves. Currently, users need a minimum of $20 to open an XRP wallet. He suggests that this will be slashed to $5 early in the year. Schwartz floated the idea, saying that he would begin supporting this if XRP stayed above $1. And then here's the tweet from him. So, basically, what does that mean for XRP overall? Now, like I said, I'm very bullish on this project overall. I think that we're going to be seeing relistings very soon. We got confirmation from the SEC lawsuit that, these, companies, these exchanges could have been selling, XRP this entire time. I don't understand why the SEC couldn't make that public to save a lot of people's sanity as well, because, panic ensued and everybody just kind of sold off. For those people who held through the FUD, I congratulate you as well. But, for a lot of people, they did get hurt by it. So I don't understand why the SEC couldn't really, bring that, news publicly and say, hey, just to make sure that exchanges do follow the rules, it's basically legal for them to sell XRP. I understand them really taking the precaution, because if it was deemed a security, the exchanges could get in trouble. But we already found out that they could have never gotten in trouble anyways, and it was totally legal for them to sell it, which is, it's just kind of, that basically confirms the idea that, hey, it's not a security. They could sell it. It's a currency. So, with that being said, I really don't see how this case could really hold up in court any much longer. I think by the end of May, we're going to really see something that comes out that's basically clarifying, that XRP is a currency. If not by the end of May, I think then by the middle of June. I think the summer is going to be massive for XRP holders, the XRP community. I really don't see that this case is going to hold up much longer. I think that relistings are going to happen, and I think price action is going to ensue. That is why on my last video I said $10 to $20 is very possible. I think that's realistic. Now, it could go much higher. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to say, hey, that's basically the stopping point. I think that it could go much higher if relistings happen, and also if clarity happens, because at that point we never experienced that, so we don't know where it really could land, and it's hard to really say it, even from a TA point. So, with that being said, I will be making another video very soon as well. I really want to talk about some more information that got released on XRP. And with that being said, guys, I appreciate you all checking out my videos and supporting me. If you guys do not follow me on Twitter, and if you guys are not in the Discord group chat, definitely join them in the description below. And with that being said, I appreciate you all watching this video and supporting me. I really am so happy that I could honestly give you guys some information on this and really update you guys overall. But with that being said, guys, this has been Nick. I will talk to you guys in another video. Peace out.